Hear the word of the Lord, my children. Many of you are walking in deceit. You have believed the lies of this world, the lies of man. You have believed the lies of the religious institutions. And you know not my word like you think you do, nor do you know me like you think you do. What little bit you know is not enough to get your name in the Lamb's Book of Life. There are those today who are burning in hell who are full of knowledge, and many with wisdom. But they did not know me. I am. I am my word, and my word is me. Did you not read where David said that I hide your word in my heart that I might not sin against thee? I tell you surely today, many of you do not pick up my book often enough. You won't read it for yourself. You're lazy. You want somebody to tell you what it says. Are you willing to trust your soul on what men think? Is not all their wisdom foolishness with me? Have I not told you so, that if you lack wisdom, ask of me, and I will give it liberally? Yes, I am coming soon. But when I come, I'm coming in judgment on this world. And judgment, yes, first begins at the house of God. The liars and deceivers and the whoremongers that call themselves preachers and priests, who use my name for their own benefit and gain. You've heard it said, and it is true, that they build buildings that are nothing more than trophies for the man who built it. The buildings, beloved, are for the comfort of the 99, and I tell you, leave the 90, leave the 99, and go after the one that's lost. All of heaven rejoices when the one that is lost comes home. You rejoice in the structure that means nothing to me. It's a stench in my nostrils. You spend money on buildings that I did not ordain, that I take no pleasure in it. My pleasure is when a lost soul is told about me and chooses to believe on me that I can save them from their sins, save them out of their sins, and give them a new name written down in glory, saith the Lord. You have but little time left, beloved. You haven't much longer. My word is reaching around the world today. Have you not read that when the gospel is preached into all the world, then shall the end come? I'm telling you, I am the Alpha and Omega. I am the beginning. And I am the end. And the end draweth nigh, saith the Lord of hosts.